Welcome to day 18 of Pydle. Pydle is a new Python puzzle game. You write Python code to create the graphic, which is the puzzle of the day. Today we've got a weaver's pattern. So try and solve that by writing Python code. For examples how to do it, just look at some of the previous videos. As usual, I will now solve yesterday's puzzle, which was Pydle 17. It's got a red arrow emphasized by the greater than symbols as well. So first things first, let's fill in the white background because the background is by default black. So we're quite familiar with this one already for I in range. So if you want to set yourself a challenge, try and solve it in as few lines as possible, and the maximum lines you're allowed to use it is 10. So we just do this in a single for loop. So the y values are integer division, and the x values are modulus calculations on that sequence of numbers. There's no character, just white. Okay, so that gives our white background. And now for the arrow, it's a staircase pattern. And there are 3 numbers we need, so a sequence of 3 numbers. So we're going to do for I in range 3. And then we've seen this before, then because it increases by double the I, so it's 135, so we need to do for j in range. It doesn't matter what you call these variables. It's going to be 2 times I plus 1, because we want to start with a 1 instead of a 0. Okay, so that's going to give us the 135 sequence. And now to actually draw the cells, we need Pydle. For the y, we need to offset from this. So we need to start at cell number 2. We're going to start from the right. So it's going to start from cell number 2, and then 1, and then 0. So we need to do 2 minus I, and then plus j, because it needs to increase with j. And the x is going to be 4 minus I. So we start from the right, just drawing there. That's why it's 4 minus I. We need a greater than symbol, and that needs to be red. Okay, let's see what we have so far. Okay, so we've got the head of the arrow. And then we can reuse this loop with 3 numbers just to draw the shaft of the arrow, and we can do that with Pydle. Y index is 2, increase with I. We do that. It's the greater than and the red as well. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's going to draw the center cell twice. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so if you run that, that should solve our puzzle. So copy that if you want to share that your results on social media like X or wherever. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to post that on X. And then have a look at today's puzzle, see if you can solve that on your own, and good luck.